Okay, for this example, we have fractions involved. So don't panic. It's just a regular process every time. The thing I think you should always do when you have fractions in an equation is just get rid of the fractions. So we have two fractions, but they have the same denominator. So that makes it easy to identify the least common denominator, which is 3. So I'm going to multiply each single term by that 3. Remembering that when I multiply a fraction by its denominator, I'm just left with the numerator. So I have 1 times t, or just 1t, equals negative 3t plus 2t minus 3. So then now we look to see if we can combine like terms on the left-hand side. We have a 1 and a t there. And again, when 1 is the coefficient, we usually don't write it. So I'm just going to erase that. On the right-hand side, we have multiple t's. So we can combine those terms. So we have t equals negative t minus 3. This is like someone owes you $3. They give you $2. They still owe you $1. It's like a negative 1 there. Okay, so then now we look at the coefficients and we try to figure out which one is the smallest. We'll have a positive 1 here and a negative 1. So negative is smaller, so I'm going to add t to both sides. So I'm going to do plus t. And sometimes let's make that plus sign a little smaller and the t a little larger so we're not confused. Combine those t's, so then now you get 2t on one side equals negative 3. Okay, now we're trying to get t by itself, and we're almost done, so we just have to divide by 2, and then our final answer is t equals negative 3 over 2. In middle school, teachers tend to want students to write the answers as mixed fractions if possible. In high school, teachers typically don't really care. So you should know how to write it as a mixed fraction, but feel okay with leaving it as an improper fraction.